Landing new clients is the single biggest challenge for most marketing agencies. Pipelines are shrinking, competition's tougher. Every agency's asking the same thing. How do we keep work coming in? That's why we built the Client Acquisition Guide. It's not theory, it's what top agencies are actually doing, backed by data and built for action. Agency Analytics analyzed what top agencies are doing, pulled data from across the industry, and collected real, practical strategies from the leaders on the front lines. And we turned it all into the Client Acquisition Guide, a complete framework for your agency to attract, close, and retain clients. Here's a preview of what it covers. How to define your ideal client profile so your agency attracts better opportunities, not more noise. Why agencies who niche down close deals faster and deliver stronger results. The inbound engines top agencies rely on. Content, case studies, and thought leadership that quietly builds demand before the first call. The one outbound strategy outperforming the rest, building a hyper-targeted list of 500 focusing on real value and nurturing relationships instead of blasting cold DMs. You'll also get the proposal formula agencies use to win more business, structure, KPIs, benchmarks, ROI projections, and how to handle objections clients won't always say out loud. And it doesn't stop at the sale. The guide also shows you how to deliver a flawless first 30 days, how to transform reporting and transparency into trust, and how to turn satisfied clients into referrals, reviews, and repeat business. After all, 94% of agencies say referrals are their top acquisition source. And there's a full AI playbook to speed everything up. Audits, proposal writing, outbound personalization, and reporting insights, all in a fraction of the time. This guide is our most comprehensive client acquisition resource yet, packed with frameworks, templates, and strategies built for real-world results. If you want a stronger, more predictable pipeline, this is your playbook. Download the free Client Acquisition Guide now.